Hey, what's up guys? I'm here to bring you my review of the Kuppet portable washing machine. This video actually did not start out as a review. The original video, which I'm about to show later in the video, that I created because we bought the Kuppet portable washing machine and started experiencing some issues with the machine itself after about the first month, just over the deadline to return the product to Amazon. So after we started experiencing the issues with the Kuppet, I immediately reached out Kuppet through the Amazon messaging board, and they had asked me to create a video showing the issues that I was having. So I created the video and uploaded it to YouTube and shared the link with Kuppet. They wrote back to me saying that I need to find another way to get them the video because they don't have access to YouTube videos. The video is way too big for email and way too big to split up in chunks for email. That would just take way too many emails for me to send it in pieces, and they would probably get confused. So ultimately I gave up. I'm not here to tell you not to purchase their products. You can decide that for yourselves based on my review, but I can tell you that I will never purchase their products ever again in my life. Ultimately, before the Kuppet portable washing machine started having issues, the machine was great. The wash cycle was pretty vigorous and definitely cleaning well, we could tell that. The Kuppet portable machine is a 2-in-1 washing and drying machine. One side is dedicated to washing, the other side is dedicated to drying. You would first put your clothes in the left side to wash them. That would take about 15 minutes. And then once the clothes were finished, you would swap them out and put them into the dryer. The dry cycle is about 5 minutes long, and once it's complete, you will have to hang them in order to get them completely dry. As I mentioned in the beginning, the Kuppet portable washing machine worked extremely well in the beginning. After about a month, the issue that we started experiencing was that the washer would not turn on. After about 2 cycles, the washer would not run again. We believe that there was probably an issue with some leaking somewhere inside the machine. That's why we contacted the Kuppet portable washing machine company through Amazon. So without any further ado, here's the video that we made for them. Okay, so this is the start of the third load. So we finished 2 loads, now it's on the third. I just wound it up and it stopped working. The dryer's working. So wound it up, wind it back up, and you can see not really going. The drain is down, it's on normal, unless it has something to do with the spinner being on. I don't think that is an issue, but let's try that. Okay, so let's try and kick it again or something. Alright, so everything's off now. Everything's off. Alright, let's turn it back on. Okay, so you can hear the timer going down, and that's all. I didn't get any water in the dial or anything, so I don't know what's going on, but that's on. And let's try the dryer again. Okay, so the dryer still works fine. It's on, if you can hear it. Maybe you can see it inside. Okay, I don't know if you saw that really quick, but dryer works, so it's got power. Yeah, we've only had it for a couple months, and this started happening like right after that 30-day period, so I can't open up a return or exchange to Amazon. So wondering what you could do to help out here. Alright, thanks, bye.